What up, Saabsters? This is QS, excuse me, coming at you. This is just a real quick non-technical video to tell you how to properly check your tranny fluid on your Saab's 9.5s, okay? So, in opposition to popular opinion, you do not put the car in neutral. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to start up your vehicle, and then you want to drive around for at least a half an hour. Let your car get warmed up, and then after it gets warmed up, you know, at least a half an hour, then you want to go to a level area where your car will be completely leveled, and then you want to put your gear into drive, count to 15 slowly, and then you want to put your gear into reverse, count to 15 slowly, and then you want to put your gear in park. Then you want to get out of your car, and I'm grabbing this parking space in the front of Target, and I was eyeing this lady because it looked like she was going to try to snag it. Okay, and then you get out your car, you check your dipstick. First you pull your dipstick out, you wipe it off, and then you dip it back in there, and you make sure it's in between that grid area. Okay, it shouldn't be over, it shouldn't be under. If it's right there, fine. If you have a minor leak, that's okay. Just make sure you're checking it. I would say once a month, depending on what the leak is like. You don't have to get all freaked out if you just have a little leak, or if some of the transmission fluid is getting lost. Just make sure you fill it back up. Because of the turbo in our vehicles, and if you happen to use the sport or the winter feature options, then you might burn a little bit more oil than normal. So just make sure you have your Mobil 3309 that you want to purchase from Walmart. You can get like the whole case of 12. I don't remember what I paid for it. It wasn't that much. It came up to like about $2 per bottle. So I think I paid around $22, $23 for the whole case, because I do flushes periodically. I don't know if I did a video on that or not, but anyway, that's just a quick tip for you. I hope you all had a happy holiday, Merry Christmas. Not sure if you can see me, but if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Peace.